Listen to this young Jamaican woman's story. Very inspirational. She failed the CPA exam 21 times. Yes, 21 times. If that's not inspirational, I don't know what is. No, she deserves all the success. Nobody not for bad mind her. Wagwan, wagwan, wagwan. Welcome or welcome back. Let's check out the video.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
So when did you become financially free?
How do you know that I'm financially independent?
So, I mean, I can see.
Well, I'm about to go up. Would you like to join me? So we're going to go
So-
up to my office. That's in Dubai World Trade Center.
Yeah, sure.
Come on in.
Sure. Okay, so I can see the office. So what do you do actually?
I run an accounting firm, top tier accounting. I'm a certified public accountant.
Okay, so who do you work with?
I work with high net worth entrepreneurs, people who are making 6, 7, and 8 figures. I help them with tax strategy, wealth structuring, and keeping more of what they earn. Basically, I make sure the 1% stays the 1%.
So you're like the consultant to the 1%.
Yes, consultant to the 1%. That's what they call me.
That's incredible. So what's one piece of advice you'd give to the younger generation, especially young women trying to build something?
My advice for the younger generation, and especially for a young woman, is to work on yourself. Invest in yourself. Because I'm here today because I didn't give up. I failed the CPA exam 21 times. 21. I worked 80-hour weeks while studying. People told me to quit, but I kept going. So my advice, don't wait for permission. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait for someone to save you. Build your own dream, stay consistent, and don't give up on yourself because no one else is coming to do it for you.
21 times. And you still kept going.
Of course, I had no other choice. Giving up was never an option. And look where not giving up got me, in Dubai World Trade Center.
That's incredible. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Anytime. Keep building.
Yes, so my story is a little bit long, but I'll try to give the shorter version. But I'm from Nain St. Elizabeth. I came from humble beginnings. I attended Mayday High School, and I have to give a special shout out and credit to the current vice principal, Miss Hanley. She took me under her wings and encouraged me to sit 14 C-Sec subjects when I attended Mayday. And to the best of my knowledge, I believe I'm the only past student from Mayday who has ever done 14 subjects.
14?
And based on my C-Sec performance, I received a scholarship from Monroe College in New York. And that's how I ended up leaving Jamaica for the first time on a student visa. And then I went to Monroe College and obtained my bachelor in accounting, and I graduated with a 4.0 GPA. And because of my performance, I received another scholarship to pursue my master's in taxation at Pace University in New York City. So I ended up receiving 2 scholarships, full ride through college. And then after graduating with my master's, I received a full-time offer at 2 of the big 4 accounting firms. So started my corporate career, and I won't sugarcoat it. It was very brutal. The hours were long, and I was working 80+ hours a week, and I was running on very little sleep. And at that time, I was studying for the CPA exam, and I had failed the CPA exam 21 times before I passed it.
What?
And yes.
21 times.
Yes.
No, I know that exam is very, very difficult, right? But I mean, you had 2 scholarships under your belt. You had experience under your belt. What do you think was the reason that kept happening for you? You were burnt out.
Yes, I was. So the hours were very long. I was working 80+ hours a week in New York City. Was getting 2 to 3 hours of sleep at nights at max. I was working 7 days a week. In corporate, for those who are accountants who work at Big Fours, especially in New York City, the hours are very long. So I was trying to study while, working extending hours, and I would show up to exams extremely tired. So my focus was just not there. And I kept failing, and I never stopped until I passed it. And the reason why I didn't quit was because when I went to corporate America for my, formal experience, I knew I wanted to be an entrepreneur, and I knew I wanted to serve high-income earners and business owners making 6 figures and above. And every time I went on a consultation with a potential client, the first question that they asked me, "Are you a CPA?" And the moment I said no, they said, "Sorry, I can't work with you." And that's when I realized that credentials are currency, and the more money people made.
And as usual, thanks for watching.
Leave your thoughts, your views, and your opinion. Be safe out there. On your way out, leave a small like, a small subscribe. I'm out.